In previous videos, we have seen one of the policy called target tracking scaling. And in this video, I will show you how we can use the simple scaling policy based on the CloudWatch alert. So basically the idea is we'll create two CloudWatch alert. One is to scale up and another is for scale out. Okay. And I mean, like one alert will just keep checking the CPU utilization. If that is greater than 50%, then it will add the instance, and another instance, another alert will check if the CPU is below 50, then it will remove the instance from the auto scaling. So the auto scaling group and other resources were already created in my previous video. You can go through that. I'm just starting to create the CloudWatch alert. So in here, automatic scaling, I have created as of now I have not created any policies over here. So first of all, let's create the simple scaling policy. I have not created any alarm, so let's keep it as it is, blank. And here, when this alarm triggers, I want to add one instance. Okay, and I can set the default to 60. Okay, perfect. Okay, let's create another policy as well. In this policy, when this policy will trigger, this CloudWatch will trigger, it will remove one unit from the auto scaling group. Okay, now we have two policies defined. Forget about the alarm. I will create the alarm later on. So this alarm, when this alarm will trigger, it will add instance into the auto scaling, and this alarm will remove one instance from the auto scaling group. At the moment, I have set 000 because this idea is that as of now I don't want to run an instance. Okay, so we'll create we will set the capacity over here after creating the alarm. Okay. Now let's create the CloudWatch alarm. Before that, let's create one instance. Yeah, so let me just set the auto scaling policy to 1 so that it can launch one instance. And I'm setting maximum to 5. Okay, so one instance is already created, and this is running into this scaling group. Now let's create the CloudWatch alert. Okay, so I'm selecting the auto scaling group, and its metric name is CPU utilization. Okay. In here, I want to ensure that if the CPU is greater than 50, then I want to add new instance into the auto scaling group. Okay, let's keep it as it is, don't change it. Okay, I don't want to notify to anybody. Okay, the action item is whenever that alert will be triggered, the alert will be triggered when CPU utilization will be higher than 50%. Then what we want to do and what is the action item that we want to apply. So here the action item is to add new instance. Okay, don't change anything over here and just simply keep the name. This is created. Let's create the alarm. Okay, fine, this is created. Now we want to create another alert, and that alert is that when CPU reach below 50%, then we want to remove the instance. Okay, so the simple way is that I can directly copy this alert. So I can just use this copy command. Okay, I can go below, I can use this or record. I can just put 49 just to avoid any confusion. Okay, over 15. Okay, next. Okay, here I will select second policy. Okay, and I don't want to notify anybody. The scaling action is that I'll remove the instance. Okay. Fine. So we have now two alerts created. One alert is to check if the CPU utilization is higher than 50. In that case, add new instance. And if the CPU is less than 50, then remove instance. And this each both the alerts, CloudWatch alerts are linked to the auto scaling group. Let me show you. See, you can see that alert. Okay, this alert has been set over here. So we have now two policies which are attached into this scaling group. Okay, and now if we will go to the CloudWatch, this alert is already triggering now because the CPU utilization is less than 15. But the reason is, I mean, like it will not affect anything because the minimum capacity is set to 1. You can see here. Okay, so and we already have only one instance, so now it cannot remove that instance because we want to ensure that at least one instance should be running. Okay, now as per the last video, let me do some exercise and increase the CPU so that the second alert, this alert can be triggered so that when CPU goes up to 50. Okay. Here the timeout is 600 seconds, so it will keep stressing CPU till 600 seconds and then it will normalize the server. So in this time actually our alert, let me show you. This alert will be triggered because it will stress the CPU to increase the load on that. This alert will be triggered and it will keep adding one instance at a time. Okay, and after 10 minutes, it will normalize the CPU, and then this alarm will start triggering, and it will increase the instance from the auto scaling group. So let's wait for some time until the server CPU goes up. Let me show this the exact status of this CPU. See, this server CPU is going up. It's 90%, and the alert has been triggered, and it will launch another instance into the auto scaling group. You can see that the alarm has been triggered. The policy is 1. See this one, okay, and it will increase the instance, and you can see that new instance will be added into this, and desired capacity will be set to 2 as of now. Let me refresh it again. Okay, you can see now, and at the same time we will need to wait until this trace finish, and then once it goes below 50%, then it will again trigger this remove alert, and it will remove the another instances from the same. Okay, so I'm not going forward and to show you other things because we have already triggered this, and let me directly just restart this server so that it can normalize the CPU, and after that the another remove new instance alert can be triggered. You can see CPU is normal now, and this alert should be triggered now. Let me refresh it. Okay, you can see that this alert has been triggering, and because the CPU is below 50, and it will now take the action, and it will start removing the instances. Okay, let's see what's happening. See, desired capacity reached to 2. In here activity, we can see that it is terminating, and policy 2 is triggering at the moment, and it is removing the instances from the auto scaling group. Okay, so that's it, and it will keep triggering this alert until the auto scaling group will be set to 1, and in fact, like, it will always keep running this because the CPU will be always less than 50 at the moment, and that's why it will always keep running. But as I said, it will not remove all the instances. It will keep one instance running because the minimum instance is set to 1. Okay, so that's it. Thank you.